In today's video, I'll teach you how to cancel HBO Max subscription. First of all, what you have to do is simply launch open HBO Max application. Make sure you're logged into your account. You can see over here HBO Max application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So what you have to do is simply tap on the profile icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now after you do that, you'll be led to your profile interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. Right over here, you'll be able to find the option for subscription. Tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the subscription interface. If you have subscribed to any plan, it will be displayed over here. Simply tap on that plan. Now after you do that, in another interface, you'll be able to find the option for cancel subscription. Tap on it. Now after you do that, the subscription will be cancelled. So like this, you'll be able to cancel the HBO Max subscription. So that is how you cancel HBO Max subscription. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.